Bebek Bututu is not just a dish with the most fun name in existence. It is a Balinese duck dish that is often steamed or roasted, and it is slathered in the Balinese spice that we had seen in previous dishes. The spice mix, in this case called Bumbu Bututu, is comprised of spices like ginger, turmeric, galangal, nutmeg, and pepper. The dish is then cooked for many hours because the duck that they use is less tender than the regular Peking duck that we're used to seeing outside of Bali. It is a celebratory dish, it is extremely popular with tourists, and we're gonna learn how to make it today. So let's get started. But before we get to that, I would like to take some time to thank our sponsor, because yes, I have one now. Thank you to Crooked Ideas and the Anti-Doom Initiative for sponsoring this video. Crooked Ideas is a nonprofit with a mission of taking away the sense of futility and doom that seems to surround any conversation we have in regards to climate change. Thanks to the Inflation Reduction Act, Michigan is now poised to be a clean energy hub in this country. $26 billion in clean energy investments, leading to 21,000 jobs and a goal of having 100% of our energy needs met by clean energy sources by 2040. It was not that long ago when this state was reliant on imported dirty coal for 60% of our energy needs. That was just in 2004. We were literally burning our money away. And now by 2040, we're all gonna get it in-house. And that is just the tip of the iceberg. Melting though it might be, we're trying to slow that down a little bit. But if things like this matter to you, and if things like this are things that you want for yourself and your home state, it is really important that you go and vote for it. We've been able to vote here in Michigan since October 21st, and we have until November 5th to do it. Whatever your beliefs, do not forget to vote on November 5th. You have a chance to vote early in your state, go do that. Now on to the video.
Okay, I will explain our next food. We call it Bebek Bututu.
Okay.
This is roasted duck.
Balinese
yeah, with
roasted
the
duck.
Balinese spice.
And this is very popular with your overseas guests?
Yeah.
You said? All right.
We use the whole duck one, like this. Yeah. This is our local duck. It's not like the Peking one.
Okay.
Like the Peking duck, this is more bigger. The flesh is more hardened than the Peking duck.
Oh, so it's
This
a little
is,
more, it's a tougher meat?
Yeah, tougher
Okay,
meat.
okay.
Yeah. This is the process of making Bebek Bututu is more need time. They make the Bebek Bututu rice field shell. Yeah, they put all the rubbing the duck inside of the rice field cell, the one.
Rice?
This field, yeah, like this.
Oh,
this
I see.
see,
Okay. The rice husk.
We use they make like mountain, and then they put inside, but this need 2 days to make the duck.
Okay.
This will be just similar thing like the other country.
Okay.
Just we rubbing and seasoning with the salt, pepper.
So when you say in the traditional way, and they put it in the rice or the rice shells?
Yeah, rice shells.
So do they light this on fire with the duck inside?
Yes, correct.
Ah.
They just make a little small fire.
Okay.
But it's not like the flame.
It's just like a low fire.
Yeah, low.
So it's like a slow, but then it's wrapped in banana leaves, so it's
Yes.
protected. I see.
Correct.
I see. Okay.
They use the banana leaves sometimes. But most preferably they use the stem of the coconut leaf.
Oh.
Yeah, this one more hard. The one rabbit, all the duck is more hard, and it's not easy to break.
I see.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, we use all from nature.
Yeah.
All the item.
So what are you rubbing on there now?
This one salt and pepper only.
Salt and pepper?
Yeah.
Okay.
Salt and pepper only, and then we just like inside in the belly.
So you stuff it with the Balinese spice.
Yeah, Balinese spice can be cassava leaf as well, same like the suckling pig. And then rub it outside.
I see.
Okay.
Oh, that's beautiful. So the Balinese spice is actually very versatile. You use it as a base for a lot of different dishes.
A lot of our Balinese food. From Indonesia, is the Balinese spice is not so popular in other area. I mean, it's other regency like that, other
Why is that?
other island, because only Balinese use the all the completed hub item inside. Yeah, from others.
It's just hard to source everything everywhere else?
Yeah, the flavor is too strong for them. But this is our Balinese people is really like it. This one.
I really like it
Yeah,
too.
this is same like the from Nangru Aceh is Sumatran style. It's not use that the completed item. They use maybe of the galangal, salad, garlic, ginger, turmeric, red chili, only that one. They can combine the right spicy one.
So it's just the Balinese ones that use all of this spices
correct.
and aromatics. All right.
Okay.
So you're going to wrap the duck in the banana leaf now?
Yeah. Because we gonna be steam this one. Yeah.
So this is
on the tray.
steamed inside.
Yeah. Sorry.
I can do this.
Thank you. So we gonna be going over there.
Okay.
After this one, we steam, and then we have to roast it here. We use this one.
Oh, okay.
We use this one over there.
Oh, so that's a clay plate?
Yeah. And then just put all the duck here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I see. All right.
this one.
You can see how green the banana leaf is getting already.
Okay. Yeah. Then we just put it now. Make faster.
The duck itself, I might need a fork. All right, here we go. Okay. I'm gonna try cutting this. There we go. There. Okay, the duck. So I understand why they need to use a tougher duck initially than the regular Chinese ones, because it's been cooking for so long. It takes so long to cook with first a steam and then a roast, but the end result is spectacular. It is tender, but it is still substantial, and it takes to the Balinese spices very, very well.